of assignment teacher. Friends, your IGNOU B.ED workshop 2 is going on, and it starts from today, and it will continue since 12 days. And you have to make that assignment day by day, and you have to done that assignment day by day, because you have to submit as soon as possible, and after 24th of September. Okay, then today is the question came that what is contextualization of curriculum, and how it can be possible in teaching exam. This is the question for today, and I have prepared that question's answer, and it can be available through my call, and you can call and WhatsApp me through this number, and I will reply you. I must reply you, and you will get that PDF also. Okay, today the topic was the constellation of curriculum. What is contextualization of curriculum? How can it be add into our teaching system, teaching exam? That all have discussed and all have put in this PDF. You can get it through my WhatsApp. Okay, you just contact me my WhatsApp number, and you can get it. Thank you, friends. Have a nice day.